Know how to put an elephant in a fridge.
Yeah, that one I know. You open the fridge, you take the elephant, put it in, and then close the door.
How do you put the giraffe in the fridge?
You open the fridge, the door of the fridge, you take the
Take
elephant
the elephant
out,
out, put the giraffe
put
in.
the giraffe in, and close the
So
door.
everything has got a step. It's the way we look at things in life that matters.
Hmm.
If we change the way you look at things in life, the things that you look at will change.
Okay.
Good stuff. So, what's the topic for today?
It's miracles, I think.
So, do you believe in them?
So it actually depends on what type of miracle is it. Is it something like manifestation? If we're talking about that we are just thinking and just trying to think of things and just using like powers to bring something to life. In that miracle, I mean, I do. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah. Am I audible now? Is my network all right?
You're speaking extremely good English. Yes, your network is all right.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if you remember or not, but just last week on Tuesday, exactly this timing, I booked a session with you, but I missed it. Actually, I totally forgot about it, and I really want to apologize to you. Actually, what happened was that I usually do my Clapingo sessions. I usually attend my Clapingo sessions during the afternoon or the evening, and having a session during the night is quite it's not usual for me. I don't really pick those timings, and I totally forgot about it. Like I was having my dinner, that's why I totally forgot about the class, and I missed it. I'm so sorry. I kept you waiting.
Which part of India are you from?
So I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh, and I live in the city of Bhilai.
Wow. Okay. And how's the weather out there?
It's good. It's all right. I mean, it is hot because it's summer's going on, but usually it's around like 40 degrees. Right now it's like 34 degrees. It's like a little bit cloudy right now, but usually it's all right. It's a little bit hot. That's all right.
As long as you've got an AC, I think that's what matters.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do you do?
I'm a student. I study in grade 9th.
And why do you want to come on to Clapingo?
So when I joined, it was in the year 2021 in August, I suppose. So that's when I joined, and at that time, I joined Clapingo because I wanted to improve my fluency and confidence while speaking English. And right now, my goal is to just expand my vocabulary.
And how do you expand your vocabulary usually every day?
So I love to read books. I'm a voracious reader, and I'm just trying to find new words through books and reading. That's what I'm doing.
That's the right thing to do. Books is one. Do you watch movies? Do you get time to watch movies or anything of that sort? No.
Yeah, I sometimes watch like on weekends or such.
But it's mainly what, TikTok or Instagram, or what are you mainly on?
It's cartoons actually. It's cartoons, English cartoons.
Okay, Tom and Jerry. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. So what's the topic for today?
It's miracles, I think.
So do you believe in them?
So it actually depends on what type of miracle is it. Is it something like manifestation? If we're talking about that we are just thinking and just trying to think of things and just using like powers to bring something to life. In that miracle, I mean, I do believe in that. But if you're talking about just like magic miracles, the ones that magicians do, like pulling up a bunny from your sleeve or just having a bunny in your hat or something. So I do not believe in those miracles.
Okay. So what would you define a miracle? What would you define as a miracle?
So miracle is I think it's an event or a lucky thing you could say that you
Mhm.
think that is impossible or you never expected it to happen, but it happened. Wow.
Okay. And have you had any miracles in your life?
Not really. I don't really have any miracles in my life, but I have, witnessed many videos on YouTube's where there are these people. I'm not sure if you've heard the names or not, but there's this Bageshwar Dham and all these people who do miracles and help people through miracles.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what else did you? What else is there in today's topic?
I think there are a few words in the starting that were hence and furthermore. I think those were the two words in the
Yes.
beginning.
Yes. Yes.
Mm,
And you know how to use the word furthermore in a sentence?
yeah. Yes, I do know.
And do you know how to use the word hence in a sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. After that, I think after that there
Um,
was a series of questions which we use as
yeah.
prompts
Yes.
about miracles. So, do you think in the future, wherever you are going to be, do you think that you will ever experience miracles of when it comes to anything in this world, or do you think you just don't believe in miracles?
I mean, miracles can happen anytime at any point of your life, and some part of me does believe in miracles, and
I think
the
all of
opposite.
us, yeah, I think all of us do believe
Yeah.
in some form of a miracle. I think miracles try to give us hope at
Hmm.
certain periods of time,
Yeah.
where we always say that I wish there was a miracle and I wish things would change, etc., etc. So
Hmm.
things like that. So what would you like to do? What now you're in the ninth grade, then you're
Hmm.
going to go into 10th. So
Yes.
which line of uh, subject are you going to be going ahead and studying?
So I'm not really that much interested in science and maths, even though I score amazing percentage, but I'm not really interested in both of them. So I was thinking I could take up the arts stream, humanity, and
Mhm.
work towards social science, history, political science, and all these subjects.
So I think political science is a relatively good field to get into because
Yeah.
you can get into things like the foreign service and you
Mhm.
understand a lot of that kind of what shall I say, that kind of politics and the way
Yeah.
people talk. And since you do have a flair, I can see that you have a flair to talk. You have a flair to express yourself. Somewhere I can sense uh, a flair to do drama. I won't be
Oh.
surprised if you are interested or you do a little drama because you do have that flair to present yourself, right?
Oh. Wow.
Uh, I think at your age you should do anything that comes into your mind.
Hmm. Yeah.
Don't ever get scared of failing
Hmm.
because um, the opposite of of failure is not winning actually.
Yeah.
Um, and this is the time to make mistakes in life. This is the times to go and experiment and go and learn this and to do this. Most 35-year-old 40-year-olds I know still do not know what they want to do in their lives, right?
Yeah.
Because they went down a certain stream, they were told they had to go down that stream, they went ahead and did it. Time took its toll. You get married, you got kids, you pay the bills, and then when you're 40 or 42, you have something called a midlife crisis, and people sit and wonder, what am I doing in my life, right?
Hmm.
So y'all are in the time where you could really go out there and experiment. So they usually
Yeah.
say, in your 20s, just go out there and experiment.
Hmm.
Don't do anything foolish, but just go out there and experiment. See the world. Maybe you're good at languages. Maybe you're
Yeah.
one of these people who might pick up languages very well.
Hmm.
As a hobby, maybe you could just try learning Chinese or Mandarin, that is.
Yeah.
Or as a hobby, you can learn, Spanish, for example, because these
Even
are
I started learning Spanish as a hobby, but
very
I
good.
just dropped learning it because I thought it was too difficult.
Okay. There is there is nothing difficult. I mean, all of us do think that in the initial period of time. Do you know how to eat an elephant?
What? Eat an elephant?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No. Okay. One bite at a time.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
okay, it's a phrase or an idiom, is it?
Maybe. Do you know how to put an elephant in a fridge?
Yeah, that one I know. You open the fridge, you take the elephant, put it in, and then close the door.
And how do you put the giraffe in the fridge?
You open the fridge, the door of the fridge, you take the elephant
Take the elephant
out,
out, put the giraffe
put
in.
the giraffe in, and close the door.
Everything has got a step. It's the way we look at things in life that matters.
Hmm.
If we change the way you look at things in life, the things that you look at will change.
Okay.
Understood? So that's
Yeah.
what it's all about. So what you might find difficult today, you just change the way you look at it, and then it might become easy. But do
Yeah.
whatever makes you happy. Do whatever makes you interested.
Hmm.
Remember, so since I'm a little older to you, as you could see,
Yeah.
uh, remember that remember to always surround yourself with people who really appreciate you.
Hmm.
It's very important. A lot of times we are in this need to uh, we get attracted to people who give us attention, right? But that is attention which is just for the outside. Surround yourself with people who really, whose eyes light up when they see you coming, for example, who really see you happy and they want to see you happy and things like that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then something else I read. I read something about yeah, slowly, slowly is
Hmm.
the fastest way to wherever you want to go in your life,
Oh.
right? So understand that a lot of times, yeah, it does look feel good when it comes to getting so many likes on Instagram, or whichever medium you use.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, that's just temporary gratification. If
Hmm.
you do want to go anywhere, it takes a little small steps, and then you can go ahead in life. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you want to hear one last thing?
Yeah, sure.
So the last thing for today is the top of every mountain
Hmm.
is the bottom of the next.
Oh.
Okay. So
Wow.
keep climbing.
Hmm.
So the top of every mountain is the bottom of the next. So keep climbing, and that's keep learning. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you're a very enterprising person. You're very enterprising. You have a very good viewpoint on life. Looking at your character, I can sense that you come from a relatively good family,
Hmm.
um, a lovely family,
Yeah.
who make you smile. I won't be surprised if you're daddy's girl, as in,
Hmm.
that kind of a thing. But, always keep learning.
Yeah.
Don't ever feel lonely. Loneliness is something which is something that can really get to people like you in your age.
Yeah.
Loneliness, depression. Understand that whatever insecurities you have, the best way to get rid of it is to have a discussion with someone about it, right?
Yeah.
So no matter how small it might be, just keep that friend or whoever you have in your life to keep discussing things. All right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is turning now into what into a lecturing class,
Motivational
a
lecture.
motivational class.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, but when you reach my age, and when I see people like you guys on the screen, yeah, there's so much more to talk. And you speak relatively good English,
Thank you.
so yeah. Very good English. There is an accent to it, I could see, which is
Mm.
okay, which is absolutely fine. But just keep improving,
Yep.
keep
Yeah.
moving, don't
Mm.
stop.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Mm.
Dathali, Dathathil. How do you spell
No,
your name?
it's Arundhati.
Arundhati. Okay. Have a good evening,
Thank
and
you.
keep learning. And
Yeah.
it's absolutely fine if you miss a class. It's okay.
I really apologize though. I'm really
Absolutely
sorry.
fine. It's okay. That's absolutely fine. You take care. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.